Hey guys, it's Karen Merrill. Welcome to the channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to choose affiliate products to promote and also how to sell them the right way. If you're new to the channel, welcome. This channel is all about affiliate marketing, how to make money online, how to make money from home. I do a lot of product reviews on this channel as well, just to let you make an informed buying decision. If those are topics that you want to learn more about, make sure you click the subscribe button and the bell icon. That way you can be notified when I upload new videos each and every day. With that being said, again, we're going to talk about how to choose affiliate products to promote and also to sell the right way, because a lot of people do this the wrong way and they aren't able to make any sales. So first of all, you've got to find an affiliate network. I'm going to name a few. Some of these you know, some of them you may not know about. But the first one is Offer Vault, and basically that houses networks of affiliate offers as well as affiliate offers themselves. So let's look right here. If you go to Offer Vault, you'll find all the different offers here, and then you'll apply to the network to be able to promote that particular offer. And you can see that you can get paid not only by selling some product, but also by generating leads for the affiliate network. So you see this one here pays 24 cents a lead. There's some down here that pay more than that, like $1.60 a lead, $2.40 a lead. And that's all you have to do is get someone to opt in. So there's a lot of different offers that you can find on Offer Vault. And the next one is Clickbank. You're probably familiar with Clickbank. You can create your own free account. Then you log in, you're going to go to Marketplace, and then you can find products from here. Let's say you wanted to go into the Make Money Online niche, so you would click on e-business and e-marketing, and you would sort. You can sort by popularity, and then you can also sort by gravity, and that just means how many people sold this product within I believe it's within a month. So you can see the gravity here on affiliate bots. This is the highest gravity score, I believe, in here, because we're sorting from high to low. So right here, 94.23. So that actually looks like a good gravity score, but you might think about the fact that there's a lot of affiliates promoting this. So you might want to choose something that has a little bit lower gravity, like somewhere between 30 and 40. But the way that you're going to promote affiliate bots, they do have an affiliate page here. Let's open that up. So you do have some resources that you can. So they do have some affiliate resources here that you can use, and basically everyone's going to be using the same resources to promote this. But how you're going to get your affiliate link is you're going to click on Promote, and you could put a tracking ID in here if you want, and then you're just going to click on Generate Hop Links. Okay, this one here. For some reason I can't, there we go. Generated hop links are down here. Okay, so you just click on that. So that's the second one. The third one is JV Zoo. That's another affiliate network right here. And what you'll do, this is a free account as well, you'll just go in, and after you log in, you'll go to affiliates right here, and then you'll go to find products, and basically you'll just request approval for whichever one that you want to promote, and it shows you the statistics as far as when it was launched, how many of that product have been sold, the conversions, estimated cost per click, how much you're going to make per click, average price, that's how much the average sale is, and your commissions, what percentage, and then what percentage are refunds. So so they can kind of give you an idea which one you might want to pick. So that's the third one. And then the fourth one is Warrior Plus. That's another affiliate network. And with this one, same thing, you'll go under affiliate, you'll click on offers. This is free as well. And then you'll just go down and look at the different products here. And then you'll just click on request. And then when you are approved, see I have this one pending, and that one's been, seems like it takes a little bit longer in here to get approved. That's been quite, that was on, well, that was when it was launched. It was at least a week or so ago. Now this one I have been approved for. So you can see, you just click on it and there's your affiliate link. So basically you just want to find some affiliate networks, get familiar with them on how to find your link and the offers in there. So what problems do people have generally when they are promoting affiliate offers? A lot of people are promoting the same offer and using the same materials, so there's lots of competition. And I remember a story, I studied a multi-millionaire marketer. I was going through a 0 to 10K challenge early last year, and this marketer said that when he first started, he was promoting, I think it was an MLM company, but the same thing applies to any affiliate marketing company. He was promoting the same sales page, all the same material, and his mentor told him, that's why you're not making any sales. You need to set yourself apart from the competition. So he made himself a lead capture page, and I think he had a bridge page, and he said he just started making sales. He was at the top of the leaderboards for any company that he would join because he knew, first of all, how to drive traffic, but also how to make his offer unique. And so that's how, I think that's why a lot of people don't make sales, is because there is a lot of competition, and also they may not be promoting the product the right way. So what is the wrong way to promote an affiliate offer? First of all, sending people to the sales page and not capturing leads and building an email list. That's the wrong way to do it, and some people do that, but if you do that, you're just building the product owner's email list and not your own email list. You want to have your own lead capture page because people don't generally buy on the first exposure. It may take them 6 or 7 times to kind of know, like, and trust you and know that you're legitimate and that this is a product that they can trust. So you want to make sure that you're sending them to a lead capture page. So again, the right way to promote affiliate offers that will get you results, like you look at the people that are making a lot of sales and the people that are always at the top of the leaderboards, what they do is for products up to about $297, you want to send them to an opt-in page, and that opt-in page is going to be different from anyone else's. You're going to create your own opt-in page. Then you're going to go send them to a pre-sale page, which is basically like a bridge page and a video. So the next page will go to a video, and that's where you're going to tell your story and your results and give social proof. And there's nothing more powerful than that, to have a product that you've used and you've gotten results with, and you show your whole story and how what your life was like before this product, then what your life is like now, and the kind of results that you've gotten. So people are much more likely to buy if there's somebody, if you can tell your story and they trust you, they think that because you got results, then possibly they could get results. And then after you send them to the bridge page, then you send them to the offer, rather than just sending them straight to the offer. But then if you're looking at products that are above $297, then you have to add in something else, because especially with cold traffic, you don't send someone just through a sales funnel generally and have them buy $3,000, $4,000, or $5,000 products. So what you want to do with that is you're again going to have an opt-in page. Then you're going to have the same pre-sale page, which is going to be a bridge page with your story. And then the thing that you're going to add in here, because it is a high ticket product, is you're going to have some sort of qualification process. Like either they sign up for a phone call or some sort of qualification process. And then the last thing is that you'll send them to the offer. That is the way that you promote and sell affiliate offers the right way, and that you can get results. So what is the next thing I say is a winning combination? And I've had this work for me because I've tried. You can see, I mean, I've done some Clickbank offers, but where I have really made the most money, the winning combination, is you have an exclusive offer, you have the right traffic, and you have the right funnel. Those three things together make for a winning combination. It's what has allowed me to have $1,000 days, $2,000 days, and just really be able to have success. So if you want to learn how to have access to an exclusive offer, and we have proven sales funnels and all the traffic resources and follow-ups, then click on the first link in the description below this video. You can take a look at this offer, see if you're a good fit for it if you like, and you can see how this can separate you from other people and being able to have a high converting offer that is different from what everyone else is promoting. But you can also set yourself apart from others just by using the same offer. So I hope you guys found some value in how to choose affiliate products, and just gave you an idea of how to sell the right way and how to sell the wrong way. And again, if you want to have access to this exclusive offer, that'll be the first link in the description below the video. You can check it out if you like. If you guys have any questions whatsoever, make sure you leave them in the comments below. Also, I do have my contact information in the description below this video if you need to contact me for any reason. With that being said, I appreciate you guys. This is Karen Mayer signing off, and I'll see you in the next video.